You all have gotten pretty good at answering questions on these tests, but it can be hard to answer a question if you don't know exactly what it's asking. So we're going to take a look at today's text. It's called Beyond the Twilight Zone, to make sure that you understand what the question's asking before you try and answer it. Today you're going to be reading a story called Beyond the Twilight Zone by Nikki McCormick. It's always important to read the directions because it gives you some information before you even start reading. So at the top, it says, as Amy will discover, her first day exploring a cave without her parents will demand using her experience in a way she had never imagined. So we know that she's going to be exploring a cave. We know that she's going to be without her parents. Starting to think about what we know about caves, what it's like to be away from your parents and doing something new for the first time. We talked in class about previewing the text and looking at the questions before you actually start reading so that you know what you're going to be looking for. So we're going to do that now. Here's the question all the way at the end of the story. It says, how does the author build suspense through the story? Why are lines 62 through 71 important in building suspense? Use details from the story to support your response. So I have to figure out, what does it mean to build suspense? This actually reminds me a little bit of the question that we answered from Icarus and Daedalus. How do those two lines from the text help to develop the plot? Why are they important to the plot of the story? In a way, that's what this is asking. How does the author build suspense and make us want to keep reading as we go? I also know that I'm going to have to use lines 62 through 71 and look really carefully at those to make sure I'm getting some information from those in particular. I might even choose to go find lines 62 through 71 and put a little mark around them just so I can pay closer attention as I read. The bullets down below are there to help us make sure that we include what we need to, that we answer the question that's being asked. And so make sure you're looking at your bullets when you write to make sure that you're answering these questions. And of course, they want us to use details. That's no surprise. Now is your chance to go do your best work. That means your best reading and your best writing. Make the choice to put forth your best effort today.